You know, I love creating videos, but I hate editing. And this AI video editing plugin is going to help me using Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. It has so many things that it can do. I've just recorded this video just now, and this is a very long video, about 22 minutes. And there's so many silences and everything here. And now I want to remove the silences as a first step. So now I go ahead to Windows, to Extensions and AutoCut. The first thing that we can do is, my favorite way of saving time is to cut the silences. So there are different things that you can see here. We have AutoCut Silences, remove silences from the timeline. We have add animated captions using AI. We have AutoCut Podcast. So if you have 2-3 people talking, we can AutoCut the podcast. We have AutoZoom, we have Auto B-rolls, Auto Viral, we have Auto Repeat. We remove repetition takes with AI. Then we have censor the unwanted language. Then we have resize to different platforms and detect and add chapter markers automatically. We're going to test 2 or 3 of these. So I can say Auto Silences. You can just select the in-out points, or in this case, I'm saying the entire timeline. So go ahead and click on validate sessions, and the noise threshold is like 35 dB. And by the way, there is this calculate by AI option here. So AutoCut can automatically detect the optimal noise threshold for your audio. You don't have to guess anything. And you can see AutoCut Silences has a brand new UI now, much cleaner and much easier to understand. We also have these presets here like calm, measured, paced, energetic. So depending on the type of video you're editing, you can pick one of these. And there are some other settings as well. Remove silences longer than 300 milliseconds. And I'm not going to touch this, but yep, it's good. So cut and delete silences and apply transition. And let me see how is it going to change. So you can see it's applying it's cutting the silences and applying the transition. And you can see it's working. I didn't have to do the hard work. And this takes about 70% of my time in editing, and I really hate, I would say, editing. As you can see, I love to create videos, but the editing part, as I'm a one-man show here, it's really frustrating to edit. What I have in my thought process is instead of editing, I could make another video and test out another thing. It really takes up my time. So it says about time saved is 17 minutes. Okay, and this is done. AutoCut silence finished. Okay, and now we can go ahead and listen to this. We're going to see, in this video, we are going to look at an interesting thing. So in this video, I'm going to look at an interesting thing known as 9 router. This gives you unlimited free AI coding. Of course, you can use your paid services as well. So you can see the API key. So for getting the API key, you can go to, I really love it. I really love it. Next, what I can do is I can go to extensions here, AutoCut again, and this time maybe what I can try is this AutoZoom here, and I define the entire section here. Then I say validate section to turn up the trigger zoom faster and more intense. So the speaking, zoom when speech resumes or stops. And here we have the different trigger types. So we can zoom on every cut, zoom when the speech resumes or stops, and there are even AI triggers for emotional moments and for key storytelling beats. Looks good. And anchor point and max zoom. So max zoom level is 130%. And the zoom styles is some jump cut, smooth, snap in, subtle hand and camera motion to zoom effects. Okay, that's really amazing. Bunch of different options that you see here. So I can say apply zoom. It's rendering audio in Premiere Pro, adding adjustment layers. Next is applying the zoom effects. So you can see the auto zoom is finished as well. And here is the result on a talking head clip with a person in the frame. At around 130% zoom, you can really see the effect. The zoom snaps in, right, when the person starts speaking. I can go ahead and do the next one that we see here. Alright, the next one is the AutoCaptions. I click here, get the best of AutoCaptions here. Good. I say entire timeline and validate sections. And I want the English subtitles. And AutoCaptions supports more than 80 languages. It can even translate your audio into animated captions in a different language. I don't have any SRT made yet. I want it to make. So I can go ahead and say Caption Editor, open Caption Editor. This is going to encode everything. Rendering audio in Premiere Pro may take a few minutes, just 1 second remaining. It's transcribing the audio. Done. And you can see it's pretty amazing. We also have the community presets here. There are more than 1500 caption presets made by other creators ready to use. Since this is the first time I'm opening AutoCaptions, I can just pick a style here and click on Apply Styles in the bottom left corner. We can edit the style as well. So right now, let's say I edit the style, add subtitles with this, and I can put in maybe another font. Let's say book. Okay. Apply style. Okay, I can reduce the font size. Yeah, this is good. I can say apply style here, and I think that's, and we get the full transcript of the video right here. So I can just scroll through the text and fix any word before applying. Done. So what I can do now is I can say add captions. AutoCaptions is finished, and I can say close and then save this project. This is really important here. Now you can go ahead and test all the other things. I'm not going to test it all. So now what I can do is I can go ahead and say export this, and basically I can export it in this format, H264. It's okay, and the file name could be like 9router.mp4. I'd go ahead and say export, and I can see the output here. This is the output. In this video we are going to look at an interesting thing. So in this video, I'm going to look at an interesting thing known as 9router. This gives you, do you see this? AutoZoom and everything. You can go ahead and check out the different features, other features as well. So yeah, in this video, I've shown you how to use AutoCut, and I use this extensively as well for the last few videos. I've been using this because I got in my hands now. I have the power to save a lot of time to create more interesting content and do less of the boring editing job that I hate. So try this out, links in the description. 14 days free trial. That's it for this video. You can go ahead and check this out, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.